To add a picture to the document, click somewhere into the document and make sure that no fillable field is active. Then go to the Insert tab. Click on Pictures. This device. Select the picture with the File Explorer and confirm everything with a click on Insert. Afterwards, open the Layout option at the top right corner. If you don't see this button, click on the image again. Go to the Picture Format tab, and you will find these options in the Wrap Text drop-down. Now, select the text wrapping option in front of text. This will allow you to move the picture to any position in the document without influencing the text. Note that you can also resize your picture by dragging one of the white corner points. If you want to properly align the image, again in the Picture Format tab, click on Align. Make sure that Align to Margin is activated, and then, for example, align the image to the right margin of the document. You can additionally play with the alignment of the text to make sure that it looks great together with the image.